Hello guys, this is Payal. Welcome back to my channel and today we are making some lip smacking butter chicken. Let's get started. Here I have some cleaned chicken, cut thin and into bite-sized pieces. Adding some salt, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cover the chicken and let it marinate. Take another bowl, adding 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chicken masala, curd. Most preferable is using hung curd. Mix it well. Ginger garlic paste. Add the chicken to the tandoori batter. Adding some lemon juice. And now mix everything well. Cover it and let the chicken marinate. Heat up a grill pan and add chicken to it. Cook it over high flame for 2 minutes each side. Once cooked, take it off the pan. Here we have some tomato, onion, cashew, garlic and ginger. Take a saucepan and add oil to it. Now add the onion, the ginger, chopped garlic, some cashew nuts and mix everything well. We do not have to brown the onions. Now add the chopped tomatoes and mix everything together. Adding some water so that the ingredient doesn't stick to the pan. Add generous amount of butter, some salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, lastly adding sugar. Once the tomatoes are soft, take it off the flame. Take a pan and add the strained mixture into it, adding some garam masala, and some fresh cream. Now add the tandoori chicken into the gravy and mix everything well. Lastly, sprinkle some kasuri methi. And tada! Here's the butter chicken ready to eat.